Hello ladies, I am Suchi and welcome to Pink April Diary. Today's video is super exciting. It is my fourth video in this colorful capsule wardrobe series and I am sharing how I am building my colorful capsule wardrobe for spring. In this video, you will find out the exact pieces that I am using to build this spring colorful capsule wardrobe, as well as I will be sharing as many outfit ideas as possible in this video, so stick to the end of this video. But if you want more outfit ideas and more variations of pieces that I will be sharing, then check out the free spring colorful capsule wardrobe that I have created just for you. The link is in the description box. I also wanted to share my exact step-by-step guide or process of building a colorful capsule wardrobe which is catered to spring weather. First and foremost, before you begin shopping for any of the pieces or even putting together the capsule wardrobe, you need to decide what is the color palette of the capsule wardrobe. This is true not just for a colorful capsule wardrobe, but for any style of capsule wardrobe. Now, if you skip this step, especially for a colorful capsule wardrobe, I have personally felt that your capsule wardrobe turns out to be a mishmash of colors, and sometimes it becomes really difficult to color coordinate or match different pieces and create multiple outfits. So that is why this is a key step. Now, the colors that I decided for my spring capsule wardrobe are blue, pink, and yellow. Now, I did not pick just one shade of each of these colors. I decided to experiment with different shades, and that's where you can really have fun. Now, blue is a very basic shade that you can wear all year round, but it especially looks way more chic and you can say on trend and on season for spring and summer, where you want to wear naturally lighter shades of clothes. So I felt like blue is really easy to color coordinate with other colors, and I can easily add it and also add some basic pieces without adding a lot of colorful pieces. And it really goes well with pink as well as yellow. Pink and blue are natural color combination. I feel like they look really great together, but yellow is also such a fun shade and it brightens up any basic shade, and it also goes very well with pink and blue. While colors are an important aspect in planning your colorful capsule wardrobe, that was just not the only focus area for me when I was building my spring colorful capsule wardrobe. As I analyzed the existing pieces in my wardrobe, I realized I was missing some key elements or key pieces that would enhance and elevate my overall wardrobe and help me build out even more stylish, sophisticated, as well as effortless outfits easily. Now, one of them was adding more prints to my wardrobe. Most of the pieces that I wear in general are solid in color, as you can see, because they are easy to put together and you don't really have to put a lot of effort. But as I built my wardrobe more and more and elevate it, I realized that I could actually use some prints. So in this capsule wardrobe, I've added some prints in terms of tops as well as bottoms. Now, another key element that I realized that while I had a lot of awesome outerwear pieces with colors, I was also missing some basic shades of outerwear that are really necessary, and one of them was a black coat, and I have been in search for a good black coat which is not really expensive for a while. So in this capsule wardrobe, I also focused on those missing pieces, or those extra one or two elements that could elevate my entire wardrobe and not just focusing on my spring capsule wardrobe. I also wanted to make sure that all the pieces that I'm adding to my spring capsule wardrobe, I can continue to wear it towards the beginning of summer without feeling too hot. So I chose a lighter or short sleeve tops and as well as lighter bottoms that you can pair them together and then layer them with something thicker up top and create more of a cozy outfit for spring. But you can use the same lighter layers and take them to summer as well, while you're still building or working on building your summer capsule wardrobe. Now, while you're building your capsule wardrobe, it is easy to just stick with the same style of clothing that you're wearing. Like, say for example, you're a very casual person, so you would probably add a lot of casual pieces, but I actually want you to challenge yourself here and add 1 or 2 more pieces to your capsule wardrobe where you can actually take your style to the next level and create an elevated style. That is what I also focused. I kind of noticed that I was wearing a lot of jeans or pants and trousers instead of wearing a lot of dresses or a lot of skirts or pieces that I actually enjoy wearing, especially in spring and summer. So I added 2 maxi skirts, which you will eventually see when I share the exact details of the pieces, that actually changed my outlook to skirts and changed my overall style aesthetic as well. Now, let's get to the fun part. What exactly do I have in my colorful capsule wardrobe? As always, I have everything that I have in my colorful capsule wardrobe added in the free guide as well. So don't forget to download it and check out a month worth of outfit ideas with them. In terms of tops, I actually picked out a lot of t-shirts because it feels much more refreshing coming out from winter when you are constantly wearing sweaters and long sleeve tops. I pretty much live in sweaters in winter. So for my tops, I picked out 1 black, 1 white, and 1 blue short sleeve t-shirt. And I also picked out 1 denim shirt and 1 white brocade style embroidered shirt. And I also picked out 1 printed blue tone printed mock neck top, which you might have already seen me wearing now if you follow me on Instagram. And I also picked out 1 sleeveless check patterned top in the color yellow. For my bottoms, I actually kept everything in basic shades except for adding 2 patterned pieces that would create much more interesting outfits. So for my bottoms, I have 1 black, 1 white, and 1 blue straight leg jeans, 1 blue wide leg cropped style jeans, 1 black and white printed maxi tiered style skirt, and 1 blue and green and a little bit of a lilac shade patterned pleated maxi skirt. Both the maxi skirts actually have very different style aesthetic. The tiered one creates a much more bohemian style and the pleated one creates much more of a modern elevated style, which you can easily figure out when you look at the outfit ideas which is shared at the end of this video. So don't forget to check that out. Now, outerwear is also key for spring weather, because we are still not completely out of the cold weather, and if you live in California, it doesn't really leave you. So for my outerwear, I have 1 blue oversized coat, 1 black belted oversized coat, 1 white blazer, 1 pink short coat or blazer, 1 pink trench coat, and 1 checkered, or you can say check patterned, with white and yellow cropped blazer. Now for my footwear, I actually decided not to add any boots because I already had boots, so I can literally repurpose them whenever I feel really cold. But I did not pick or shop for any new boots for this capsule wardrobe. Now I also did not shop a lot of other pieces as well for my footwear. I feel like my footwear game is kind of good these days, and I know exactly what I like and I know exactly what will work and is a versatile piece that I can add to any capsule wardrobe for any season. So for my footwear, I have 1 white loafer mule, 1 black loafer, 1 white espadrille wedges, 1 pinkish tone slingback pumps, and 1 white leather sneaker. Everything that I added in this capsule wardrobe, I can easily put them together with different colors and different styles of bottoms and tops and create really versatile, at the same time structured and put together outfits. That was the idea, and in general, that is my idea whenever I build out these colorful capsule wardrobe, that I want to still look put together and sophisticated, but enjoy wearing colors as much as possible. Now, I also focused that all of the pieces that I am adding to my capsule wardrobes, and this has been my focus starting from previous year when I started my colorful capsule wardrobe journey. If you're interested, check out all of the videos. I've linked them in the description box below. So a lot of items that I pick out and shop, if I need to shop, I pick out investment pieces that are going to last me at least for 3 years, if not more. This way I know that I'm going to get my money's worth of them, and most of these pieces I don't even pick out really expensive designer products. They are just high quality pieces that I know are made out of good quality material that are going to last me year after year. Another focus area, I think I mentioned it in all my capsule wardrobes, are that I don't really focus on accessories a lot because I want to keep that open and be able to repurpose a lot of accessories that I had from previous years, like handbags, scarves, or even hats or sunglasses, that I can keep on wearing year after year. This way I can easily invest on those pieces and not worry about seasonal trends or seasonal styles, and then phase out some of those items. Now let's check out some easy outfits that you can put together using this capsule wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this Spring Colorful Capsule wardrobe. I decided to create this before spring so that you have enough time to shop for all of these items and plan out your own colorful capsule wardrobe. And don't forget to check out the free guide that I have linked in the description box below. As always, if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button to let me know. Thank you so much. And if you like these kind of practical style videos and you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button down here or somewhere here to join this family of awesome women who want to look and feel awesome even with a busy lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to watch the next video that I'm sharing here. Bye!